We have breaking news coming in from Madhya Pradesh. Filthy water for Janta, mineral water for Babu. On camera, MP Babu drinks mineral water amid crisis. On camera, we see suspended Babu flees when confronted. He smilingly drinks mineral water as people die. This is killer apathy, shocking high-handedness. Who provided dirty water gulps bottled water for himself. The public continue to drink poisonous water. Meanwhile, the executive engineer was seen drinking Bisleri. He had a smile on his face, but the camera turned pale. When the media asked questions, the suspended executive engineer fled on his bike. Executive engineer Sanjeev Srivastava was suspended today. This is the latest that we're getting in from Madhya Pradesh. Remember, many lives have been claimed after the deadly water crisis, where even drinking water is not well for the people. It's contaminated, but we can see that on camera, this engineer is drinking Bisleri water. He's the one who provided dirty water and now is gulping bottled water. This is killer apathy, shocking high-handedness. And this is the smiling Babu who drinks mineral water, as many people have died of drinking contaminated water.
श्रीवास्तव जी, आपको लगता है आपकी की गलती थी? श्रीवास्तव जी, जवाब दीजिए ना। नहीं, आप अपनी बात तो रखिए। क्या आपके साथ गलत हुआ है क्या? इसलिए आपको हटाया गया। श्रीवास्तव जी, आपको लगता है आपकी की गलती थी? श्रीवास्तव जी, जवाब दीजिए ना। नहीं, आप अपनी बात तो रखिए।
This was the executive engineer who was seen drinking bottled water. As you can see, when he was asked questions, he refused to answer. He had a smile on his face, but when he was asked questions, he completely denied answering anything. And in fact, the suspended executive engineer fled on his bike. This is Sanjeev Srivastava. He was suspended today, and he is the engineer. And remember, Indore crisis has already, after the contaminated water, we have seen so many lives being claimed, right from a small baby to even many people who have, in their 60s and 50s, because they don't have the basic amenity, the simple thing that one needs. The simple drinking water is contaminated. And on the other side, we're seeing that, in a mockery of the system, we're seeing these executives drinking bottled water. And when he was asked questions, as you can see on your screens, when media asked him questions, he had a smile on his face and the camera turned pale. And when the media asked questions, the executive fled the scene on his bike and refused to answer anything. This is a complete mockery of the system, where we're seeing lives being claimed in Indore by contaminated drinking water. The basic necessity is denied to people. Meanwhile, we see top Babus and MPs and Netas and executive engineer in this case drinking bottled Bisleri water. This is Sanjeev Srivastava. He was suspended today, and when in fact reporters and the media went to ask him questions, he refused and he was seen denying to answer anything. He had a smile on his face and then he later fled on his bike. Meanwhile, the public continues to drink poisonous water. Almost we have a 10-month-old baby who lost his life, and we've also seen many people who have lost his life. Death toll has crossed over 10. There are 4 people above 60 years of age who have also died so far. This is happening in Indore's Bhagirathpura, where due to water-related problems, we are seeing that a lot of people are losing their lives. And we're also seeing the Netas and the Babus who are supposed to be responsible for all of this. They are apathetic towards the condition, and this is shocking high-handedness that we are seeing. People who are supposed to provide clean drinking water have provided dirty water and are themselves drinking bottled water. We're seeing them drinking Bisleris, and when the media continues to ask them questions, they seem to run away from the mic, as we have seen continuously. First, we saw Kailash Vijayvargiya, who did not respond to even our reporters' questions. He's saying, "Kal batayenge." And now we're seeing another engineer who was earlier seen drinking Bisleri water. He continues to evade questions. And this was the executive engineer who was seen drinking bottled Bisleri water, as public is left to drink contaminated water supply. He had a smile on his face, and when the media asked him questions, he fled the scene. He's now been suspended, but meanwhile, there is no accountability for the people. Questions are being raised, and yet we are getting no answers. The engineer that you saw on your screen earlier was Sanjeev Srivastav from MP's Indore, and on your screen you can also see, we can see Bisleri bottled water over there. Meanwhile, people in the region are still left with contaminated water supply. This is the basic necessity, the clean drinking water that was supposed to get to people, and we're seeing so many lives being claimed because of this. A baby's life was lost, so many people in the 60s and 50s, all across the age, we're seeing lives being claimed because simply drinking water is not available in the region. As well as what we're also seeing is that the government is not accountable. They're evading questions and evading responsibility. On one hand, we're seeing the public continues to drink poisonous water. Meanwhile, these netas and MPs and the executives are drinking bottled Bisleri waters.
आपको हटाया गया। श्रीवास्तव जी, आपको लगता है आपकी गलती थी? श्रीवास्तव जी जवाब दीजिए ना। नहीं, आप अपनी बात तो रखिए। क्या आपके साथ गलत हुआ है क्या? क्या हुआ इसलिए आपको हटाया गया? श्रीवास्तव जी, आपको लगता है आपकी गलती थी? श्रीवास्तव जी जवाब दीजिए ना। नहीं, आप अपनी बात तो रखिए। क्या आपके साथ गलत हुआ है क्या? क्या हुआ इसलिए आपको हटाया गया? श्रीवास्तव जी, आपको लगता है आपकी गलती थी? श्रीवास्तव जी जवाब दीजिए ना।
Indore residents are forced to drink contaminated water while officials sip mineral water. Executive engineer Sanjeev Srivastav was caught on camera drinking packaged water, and when questioned, he dodged the question and ran. He was suspended after the incident. And now see this. This is what residents of Bhagirathpura are drinking even after 10 people have died from contaminated water. Speaking to India Today, they shared their plight and said that drinking water being delivered to them contains insects, froth, a foul smell, and is unfit to drink. They even alleged that they had complained several times to officials, but they only woke up from their slumber after the contaminated water started claiming lives. On the other hand, ministers are evading questions. Kailash Vijayvargiya, when questioned by India Today, replied, "Kal batayenge." With pressure mounting, the government has cracked the whip. Indore's municipal commissioner has been removed, show cause notices have been issued to Indore officials, and the water department superintending engineer has been relieved of duty. See, we are playing also the visuals of when India Today's reporter Piyush Mishra asked the question to Kailash Vijayvargiya about the water crisis unfolding in Indore, and he simply said, "Kal batayenge." Before
कैलाश जी, आज तक उन घरों में गया है जहां पर हमने देखा है कि लोगों के सीवेज का पानी जो है वो घुस रहा है? क्या कहेंगे उन लोगों को जिनके घर में सीवेज का पानी जा रहा है?
कल बताएंगे आपको।
लेकिन सर, आप एक मिनट, आप चुप्पी तो नहीं साध सकते ना सर। लोगों की मौतें हो रही है, आप चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं, आप चुप्पी नहीं साध सकते सर। सवाल का जवाब क्योंकि इसलिए हम पूछ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उन लोगों के हैं जो लोग परेशान हैं। कैलाश जी, आप कह रहे हैं कल बताएंगे, कल तक लोग आपका इंतजार करेंगे, तो लोग लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। कैलाश जी,
फर्स्ट डे जो सैंपल लिए थे उनकी रिपोर्ट में कंटेमिनेशन आया था, और उसके बाद हमने जो लाइन है उसको सही करना स्टार्ट किया है। हमने वो पॉइंट्स आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं जहाँ पे ड्रेनेज या कोई भी अदर उसमें मिक्सिंग हो रही है। एक पॉइंट मेन लाइन का जो मिला था वो चौकी के ऊपर टॉयलेट वाला, वो एक अलग पॉइंट था। उसके अलावा बाकी भी लाइंस में हमने वहाँ पे अराउंड 2000 प्लस चैम्बर्स हैं ड्रेनेज के, उन सभी चैम्बर्स को हमने क्लीन करवाया है। उनको देखा है कि कहीं भी कोई लाइन से टच तो नहीं हो रहा हो। एंड देन जहाँ जहाँ पे भी हमारी वाटर और सीवर की जो लाइन क्रॉस हो रही है, उन सभी पॉइंट्स को हमने आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको हमने ट्राई किया है कि उसको डाइवर्जन करके लाइन को सही किया जाए। आई थिंक अभी भी 2-3 दिन और हम उसको पूरा बिल्कुल घर से घर तक पूरा अगर कनेक्शंस को हम नहीं देख लेते तब तक उसको हम करते रहेंगे। प्राइमरी रिपोर्ट जो थी, उस प्राइमरी जो हमें लगा कि वहाँ पे जो पदस्थ सब इंजीनियर और एई हैं, जेडो हैं, उनको हमने हटाया है तुरंत ही, और बाकी एक कमेटी कलेक्टर साहब ने गठित की है। उस रिपोर्ट के बाद ही आगे कार्रवाई की जाएगी।